Hello students, welcome to Saurabh's classes. Today we will be solving the IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics question paper of year 2018. Today we will be solving question number 32 from section B. So let's start. What we have been given is that let summation an where n is greater than or equal to 1 be a convergent series of positive real numbers. Then which of the following statements is or are true? Option A, summation of an square where n is greater than or equal to 1 is always convergent. Option B, summation of root over an is always convergent. Option C, summation of root over an upon n is always convergent. And option D is summation of an upon summation of root over an upon n to the power 1 by 4 is always convergent. So these are the four options. Now we have been given that an is a convergent series of positive numbers. So what we can take that let an be a n power series. So basically we can take that summation of an is equal to summation of 1 by n to the power p. Now this is convergent if p is greater than 1 and divergent if p is less than or equal to 1. So this is the condition for you. Now we have been said that p is always convergent. The series an is convergent. Here summation of an is convergent. So that implies that p is greater than 1. This is our condition that we have been given. So if p is greater than 1, let us find out summation of an square. So summation of an square but nothing but 1 by n to the power 2p. So we know that p is greater than 1, so that implies that 2p is greater than 2, which is greater than 1, and therefore this is convergent. So summation of an square is always convergent if an is convergent. And now we'll find out summation of root over an. Summation of root over an will be given by root over 1 by np. So this is equal to summation of 1 by n to the power p by 2. Now we know that p is greater than 1, so that implies that p by 2 is greater than 1 by 2. So if p by 2 lies between 1 by 2, if p by 2 lies between 1 by 2 and 1, then not convergent. But if p by 2 is greater than 1, that implies that convergent. So we can say that for all cases root over an is not a convergent series. So root over an is not always convergent. This is what we have got. Now we'll try to find out for root over an by n. Now root over an is nothing but 1 by n to the power p by 2, and that is into 1 by n. So this will be equal to 1 by n to the power p by 2 plus 1. Now we know that p is greater than 1, so that implies that p by 2 is greater than 1 by 2. Now if we add 1 to both sides, then p by 2 plus 1 will be equal to 3 by 2, and that is greater than 1. So as such we can see that summation of an root over an by n is always convergent. This is the third one. Now we'll try to find out for the fourth one. So fourth one is nothing but root over an by n to the power 1 by 4. So this will be given by 1 by n to the power p by 2 plus 1 by 4. So now p is greater than 1, so that implies that p by 2 is greater than 1 by 2, and that will imply that p by 2 plus 1 by 4 will be greater than 3 by 4. Now if p by 2 plus 1 by 4 is less than 1, less than equal to 1, but greater than 3 by 4, in that case not convergent. But if p by 2 plus 1 by 4 is greater than 1, then it is convergent. So we can see that summation of root over a n upon n to the power 1 by 4 is not always convergent. Is not always convergent. So as you can see, only the options, only a n square, summation of a n square is convergent, and rest all other summation of a n square and summation of root over a n upon n is convergent. So basically the option A and option C are correct. So option A and option C are correct. So today we have solved question number 32 from the IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics question paper of year 2018. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.